Good morning, everyone, and happy Tourist Thursday. Mr. Junie is dressed up like a tourist visiting Disneyland. I have my Disney hat, I have my Pocahontas t-shirt, and I have a backpack with me. How are you gonna dress up like a tourist today? Speaking of today is Thursday the Star, May 7th, 2020, and you know what time it is. It is time for dun, 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 math meeting. And let's start with our game of Count On. Count On is also our fluency level 15. You have to be able to count on from a number all the way to 100. So I want you to count on today from the number 87. What number? 87. Count on. Ready, set, go. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Kiss your brain one time. And let's play 2 games of Hotspot. For our first game of Hotspot, we are gonna practice level 12. You need to know all of your teen number sight word cards. So, of course, let's start off with this important word. What word is this? The word is teen. And what does teen mean? Teen means a group of how many? 10. So you're gonna see this word teen in a lot of your teen number sight words. How about this word? What word is this? 14. And friends, remember, if you don't know the word, you can spell the word first, and then you can break it down into smaller words. Here I see 4, and I also see the word teen. 14. What's the word? The word is 14. Okay, friends, let's keep going. What word is this? The word is 18. How about this word? 19. How about this word? I'm not giving you lots of time today. What word is it? 17. How about this word? 16. How about this word? The word is 15. How about this word? The word is 12. How about this word? The word is 13. 2 more. What word is this? The word is 11. And last word, the word is 20. If you got all those right, kiss your brain 2 times. 1, 2. On the test, when we test you for level 12, you can only miss 2 sight words. How many words can you miss? 2 sight words. All right, let's play our second game of Hotspot. For this game of Hotspot, we're focusing on level 17. What level? 17. For this level, you need to know all of your money and also their value. So I'm going to show you a coin, and you have to tell me the name and the value. What a coin is this? The coin, I also have the name of the coin down here. The coin is a dime. And how much is a dime worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. Now I'm gonna keep this dime here and put it next to this coin. What's the name of this coin here? The name of the coin is a, look at the first letter, P, 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 penny. And how much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. Next one, what's the name of this coin here? Look at the first letter of the word. The coin is a nickel. And how much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents. Last coin, and it is the biggest coin. What's the name of this coin? Look at the first letter. Q. It makes what sound? Qu. Qu. So what coin starts with the qu sound? It's a quarter. What's the name of the coin? Quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? A quarter is worth 25 cents. And last but not least, what's the name of this kind of money? This is called a dollar. What's it called? A dollar. And how much is this dollar worth? You can see the number right here. The dollar is worth $1. Now, this isn't the only dollar, but this is the only one you need to know on your test. There's also a $5 bill, there's also a $10 bill, a $20 bill, a $50 bill, and also a $100 bill. But you only need to know the $1 bill for level 17. All right, friends, kiss your brain 3 times now. 1, 2, 3. And if you haven't passed levels 12 or 17, make sure you watch this video and practice. All right, friends, because your end of the year goal for your fluency is level 20. What's your end of the year goal? It's level 20. All right, friends, that's it for math meeting. Math meeting is over. And now we're gonna work on our number story. And our number story is about cookies today. Raise your hand if you like cookies. I love cookies. So I can't wait to read our number story about some cookies. Let's get started. Okay, friends, let's get started on our daily math activity for today. Our daily math activity will be another number story. A number story is a story about numbers. So I'm gonna read our number story one time, and I gotta make sure you have your listening ears on. So turn on your ears, go bloop, bloop, and make sure you listen to the story, because when I'm done, I'm gonna cover the paper and you are gonna tell your families what happened in the story. You are gonna do a retell. Say retell. You're gonna tell your families what happened in the story. So here I go. There are 3 plates on the table. This is a picture of a plate, and this is a picture of a table. Each plate has 2 cookies. How many cookies are there all together? Friends, were you listening? I hope you were, because now I'm going to cover the paper, and you can pause the video right here and retell the story to your families. What happened in the story? Pause right here. Great job for retelling the story. Go ahead and kiss your brain. And now, Mr. Junior is going to read the story one more time. As I'm reading it, I want you to think about what the answer could be, because I have a very, very important question to ask you after I read the story. So again, think about what the answer could be. There are 3 plates on the table. Each plate has 2 cookies. How many cookies are there all together? Now take this time to think, what could the answer be? And now I have a question for you. I want to know how many cookies there are all together. Do you think there are going to be more than 2 cookies all together? Or do you think there will be less than 2 cookies all together? What do you think? Touch your chin and think. Is there going to be more than 2 cookies all together, or less than 2 cookies all together? Show me with your hands. Do you think there'll be more cookies, more than 2, or less than 2 cookies? All right, and then pause your video right here and tell your families what you think. Go ahead and pause the video right here. Fantastic, friends. If you are done sharing with your families what you think, let's go ahead and solve this number story. There are 4 steps I want you to do. So on another piece of paper and with a pencil, I want you to copy the number story just like how Mr. Junie has it on his paper. So make sure you copy the number story. And then the first thing you'll do to solve this number story is to circle the key details. What are you going to do first? Circle the key details. So in your number story, look for numbers or other words that will help you solve this problem. You have to think about, what operation are you going to use? Okay, they're looking at this number story. Mr. Junie, I'm expecting you to circle one new key detail that we haven't circled before. And families, you can help with this too. There's one specific word that I'm looking for so that all of you will circle. I want you to circle one specific word. That word is going to help you a lot in solving this number story. So after you circle your key details, you're going to think, what operation will you use? Are you going to use addition or are you going to use subtraction? So really look at those key details because those key details will help you figure out what operation to use. After you know what operation to use, you're going to choose a strategy to solve this number story. I suggest for this one, since it's a little different from the other number stories, I suggest either drawing a picture or using manipulatives you may have at home. I wouldn't suggest using your head. You can try, but for this one, try using either the drawing method or using your manipulatives as a strategy. So make sure you draw what you do here in this box here. And also write down your answer. That is step 4. Make sure you write your answer and a number sentence that matches the number story. So is it going to be, will your answer be about candies? Will your answers be about chickens? Will your answers be about lollipops? What is the story about? Is it about plates? Is it about tables? Or is it about cookies? So make sure you include that in your answer. And then down here, make sure to write down your number sentence that matches the number story. I am going to tell you, this one is more challenging than the other ones because of that very, very special key detail. So families, please, please, please help with this part. If the kids don't get it correct the first time, it's okay. It is their first time doing a number story like this. So just encourage them to do as much as they can. All right, friends, it looks like you're ready to solve this number story. So good luck, and I can't wait to see your work in the comments. And Mr. Junie will have some questions for you in those comments. So can't wait to see everyone's work. Good luck, friends. Thank you for watching today's daily math activity. Make sure you share your videos and your pictures in the comments below. Remember, tomorrow, Friday, there is no school. So we have a 3-day weekend. No school Friday. Everyone say no school Friday. And I'll see you next week for another daily math activity. Peace out.